In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the newsletter pop-up in Wix for both desktop and mobile. If you've been having issues with pesky newsletter pop-ups on your Wix site, this guide is designed to help you clear out those disruptions quickly and efficiently, so let's dive right in. To kick things off, we first need to address your browser settings. It's a straightforward process, but a critical step in resolving this issue. Open up your browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other common browser, and let's head straight to the settings menu. Usually you can find this in the upper right-hand corner, symbolized by three dots or lines. Clicking on this will lead you to a drop-down menu where you'll select Settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to navigate to the section concerning your browser's history and data, a fundamental step in fixing the newsletter pop-up. It's typically labeled as Privacy and Security. Here, you'll find options to clear your browsing data, cache, and cookies. It might sound a bit technical, but all it really means is that we're going to tidy up the stored data that your browser keeps, which often is the root of lingering pop-ups or old settings not updating. Pay close attention to what you're selecting. You may want to make sure you're clearing data from all time rather than just the past hour or day to be thorough. Now go ahead and clear this data. By doing so, you're refreshing the stored content and permissions that the browser has saved in the past. Once this step is complete, return to the Wix site and examine if the newsletter pop-up has been resolved. Often, this simple act of clearing your cache and cookies will reset and remove any misplaced settings causing that newsletter pop-up glitch. This solution is optimal because many times these pop-ups persist due to outdated or corrupted data caches. By clearing them, you essentially allow the website to load as if you were visiting it for the first time, potentially eliminating the pop-up nuisance. Remember, while this method focuses primarily on desktop browsers, these steps apply to mobile devices too. Browsers on phones and tablets often have similar settings that can be adjusted in this way, so regardless of whether you're dealing with this issue on your phone or computer, a clean slate achieved by clearing cached data can do wonders. I hope this guide helps you reclaim control of your Wix site's user experience by solving your newsletter pop-up troubles. Feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any further questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!